Welcome to Mel's channel. In this video I want to explain how can you do a urine pregnancy test at home. How can you do a urine pregnancy test at home? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos, and if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So if you see you have pregnancy symptoms or signs, just if you want to confirm, you need to do a urine pregnancy test. So in front of you I have a sample of urine. This is sample X urine. Also I have a pregnancy test, which is a strip pregnancy test. So in this video I'm going to explain now how can you use a urine pregnancy test. Okay, so before opening, this is a pregnancy test. So before opening this pregnancy test, you need to check the manufacturer date and the expired date. So for this pregnancy test, it is manufactured in 2025 and the expired date is 2028, so it is fit to use. So you check it very well, you check the expired date, no any damages to the pregnancy test, that it is fit. Then after there you can open it. So let's open it. You're going to check here, it shows, so I'm going to open it. So after opening it, I'm also going to open this sample X of urine. I've already opened it. So after there, I'm going to remove the pregnancy test. So this is the strip pregnancy test. Have you seen it? So here we have an arrow which says maximum. So it means that when you dip this urine pregnancy test here, make sure that the urine does not pass the maximum line. So it means it must be below the maximum line. Okay, so after dipping it, you mean to stay for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you're going to read the results. Don't stay for more than 5 minutes because you're going to get false positive results or false negative results. So just 3 to 5 minutes. If you're not sure, you can just keep a stopwatch. And when you are dipping it, don't stay also for so long. Just stay for about 10 seconds to 5 seconds. So this is the pregnancy test. We have it here. As you can see the maximum line. So I'm going to dip it. But before dipping it now, make sure that when you collect your urine, make sure that you take the morning urine. Why do we take the morning urine? Because morning urine has high concentration of the hormone. Which hormone? Human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone. So this is the hormone which is produced normally during pregnancy. So this test is going to detect that hormone. So when you use the morning urine has high concentration of human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone compared to other urine, the afternoon urine or the evening urine. So the morning urine is highly recommended. So I'm going to dip it. Okay, so it is done. I've already dipped it. So after there, I'm going to keep it straight and I'm going to wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. So let's wait. We have said only 3 to 5 minutes. Don't exceed. Okay, so the minutes are ready and the results is ready. So according to me, how I see, I just see one strip. It's like this. Just see it here. Only one strip. So it means that the result is negative. But if you could see 2 lines, 2 strips, it means that the result is positive. So for this urine, it means that this person is negative, is not pregnant. But if there could be 2 lines, and this is very clearly demarcated, as you can see it, only 1 line. But if you could see 2 lines, it means that you are pregnant. So if you see a pregnant, just go to the hospital go to the gynecologist for more clinics and recommendation. So this is the video for today. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.